using experiments on the 3D printed model as well as simulations on the computers, we are able to give some new information to surgeons and cardiologists who then use that information to make a better care assessment for that patient.
So what the simulator is currently doing right now is imposing physiological flow and pressure through the patient's aortic valve.
We hope that eventually the computer models will be the routine that can be in the workflow of any hospital's planning procedure for every patient.